Hi, y'all. Welcome back. In this video, we'll explore the Activity tab. This tab combines rig, frac, and permit data to show what's happening, where it's happening, and how activity is changing over time. Our top chart, we have a column and a line combo. It has a column chart with a line overlay, allowing you to compare two activity metrics over the same period of time. We're able to control our grouping and this top drop-down menu right here. Right now, it's turned on basin, but you're able to select operator, state, county, or even sub-basin. The left y-axis controls the columns. So right now we have rigs turned on. We can select that to approved permits or frac crews. So we'll turn it on rigs right now to see trends with drilling over time. And then our right y-axis is controlling that line overlay. You can have the same options to view rigs, frac crews, permits, but also oil and gas prices. The x-axis controls time right here in our drop down, so we're able to select quarterly, monthly, weekly, or even a custom range. So I'll turn it on weekly, and let's take a look at approved permits and then what's going on with rigs. So rigs are staying pretty steady across North America, while there seems to be a lot of variability in permit approved, with a lot of permits being approved in the Permian Basin. All the standard chart tools are available in the top right, such as showing and hiding sliders to allow you to dial in your X and Y axes. You can go in and out of full screen, as well as access your chart settings, download CSVs of the data contained within the chart, and screenshot your chart. So chart settings allows you to control your axis values, turn on and off a wide variety of options in the chart. And the last thing I'll show you is by either selecting out of the legend or even clicking on the individual bars themselves, you're going to highlight these bars, and they're also going to highlight those wells in the map. By hovering over it, you can see exactly what data is contained within that bar. So it's showing you that 233 out of 360 total permits were approved in the Permian in the week of January 16th. So that's our bar chart right there. I'm going to click off of that selection and we'll go look at our recent activity chart. This bottom chart focuses on recent activity. The y-axis is showing you how activity is grouped. You can control that with this drop-down menu right here. So you're able to look at basin, operator, state, province, county, or sub-basin. The x-axis displays activity metrics, such as rigs, fracs, or approved permits. This makes it easy to quickly compare rigs, frac crews, or permits across a selected group. So we can look at operator, rigs, and it's just showing you the top operators and their rig counts. You can also look at approved permits. And as we hover over these bars, we can see exactly how many approved permits per operator or whichever grouping metric we choose. Together, the Activity tab gives you a clear view into where activity is accelerating or slowing down across the basin. And that's it for the Activity tab. Hope to see you again soon.